$30. YouTube paid me $30 for creating content on YouTube. Hello, my loves. If you see me for the first time, this is Face of Faithfulness, and I'm popularly known as Coach Faithfulness because I teach people how to make money online using their smartphone and internet connection. So, if that's what you want for yourself, you want to learn how to make money online with the skills that I teach, with the tips and strategies I'll be teaching here, please do well to connect, join the community by hitting the subscribe button to be part of us. Okay, and do well to like this video so that I can get to a lot more people who are interested in this kind of videos as well. Okay, stay with me as I tell you how YouTube has paid me $30.08. Yes, $30.08. Now, if you've not been following me for the longest time, I'm not new on YouTube at all. This is my 4th year on YouTube, if I'm not mistaken. And I finally got monetized on YouTube. That was February last year, 2025. Okay. Now, and since then, or let me say before I got to that monetization level, I actually struggled. Yes, because I did not know my identity. I was not able to classify which of the side I want to join, like which niche, what do I want to teach, what do I want to present, what do I want to be known for on the YouTube space. I was just doing any and everything that comes my way. And let me tell you, in the long run, it has affected me big time because even till now, even up until now of making this video, my channel is not structured. It's not, I'm sorry to say, it's not well structured. It's not like, yeah, I know I'm just trying to focus on the nature of making money, teaching people how to make money online, but it was only of recent. But prior to this time, I've had a lot of different kind of content, like different kind of video that does not even relate, trying to put out something. Let me put out something there, let people see what to consume and all of that. And that's in the long run affected the whole performance. Okay, now this $30 I made was not made on a particular video, or was not made on a particular period of time, like on a particular month. All right, now that $30.08 is everything I have made on YouTube since monetization. Yes, I know you'll be shocked and surprised because you've heard a lot of people making big amount of money on YouTube. Yeah, now let me tell you what the problem was, or what the problem has been. One, inconsistency. That is the thing that have been affecting this channel from making a lot of money. I've been so inconsistent. Now, if you check through my channel, you see how I drop my videos sometimes once in a month, sometimes once in 2 months. Sometimes if it feels good for me, I will just drop and go off, right? So that has affected me a big time on this channel from performing well, from making a lot of money, just like other content creators, other YouTubers in this space. Now, secondly, lack of focus, right? Should I say lack of focus, or not niching down, or lack of direction, any way you want to put it. Okay, so put it you can call it anything you want, but apart from being inconsistent, I've been dropping random content. Yes, okay, let me call it randomness, whatever. So randomness, yes, I have been dropping random content. Sometimes I talk about money, sometimes I talk about recipe, sometimes I do a vlog, sometimes I share my faith, right? Everything on this one channel. That has really affected me big time, because when you want to succeed, if you want to actually grow on this YouTube space, just look for a niche. Just niche down to something that you can easily do. And that does not mean you cannot tweak it sometimes, but at least people will know you for this particular thing. I will even go ahead and show you how my channel has been. All right, so look at your screen. Okay, permit me to open this open my channel from here and show you how exactly my channel has been, like the kind of content I've been posting randomly, the kind of random content I have been posting. All right, now if you are thinking of starting YouTube anytime soon, please learn from me, take this correction from me. If you want to go on YouTube, have a particular focus, have a particular niche, have a particular area you want to focus on. Like I said before, it will enable you to grow, it will enable you to build a community around that area, around that niche. Okay, now this community will always come back to help consume your content, to engage in your content, and thereby you are being paid for every engagement, every watch, and all that. Now let's just take a look at the screen. All right, you can see this channel has 4.37k subscribers, and yeah, so let's not go there. Now you can see that my last video I posted was 2 weeks ago, and I had 17 views, just 17 views. And it's all about Faceless YouTube. I said a Faceless YouTube channel got monetized. Okay, the other one is I tried YouTube automation for 4 months before you start YouTube Faceless. Okay, this one was a bit relatable. All right, these are the recent one I've started dropping actually. Now let's go back to the old ones. Let's go down and see how my videos have been all the while. All right, so you can see, let me even go back to the old video, to the very first video. Like the very first video was dropped 4 years ago. See, wow, great things are happening here. Just so that was me just introducing myself on YouTube and telling us a little bit of what to expect. And it was just literally maybe what I talked about was more like faith, you know, faith-based, you know, preaching, teaching the word. We'll be learning, you know, stuff to grow our spiritual life. You understand? So that was just the summary of what that video was all about. So I went to do a vlog where I was singing with my brother. I said, wow, we both sang, how I made 100,000 naira. So all of that. Rehousing Mason Chiwo's song. How does it relate? How does it relate? I was talking about money in the previous one. I'm talking about song now. Okay, how I started business. Okay, this one is business. Arm robber apologizes for invention. Okay, I said a special gift for. So let's go further. Let's go. See this one now, how to make Cold Stone ice cream at home. How does ice cream and making money online relate? This is me teaching about food recipes, right? Now I talked about how to make Greek yogurt at home. You see, this was another one again. This is homemade custard recipe. How does it relate? How does it relate? Life of a student. This was like a vlog. Minister GUC welcomed their first. This was something that was unrelated, like unrelated at all. So you can see that I was not having a focus. I was not having a focus on this channel at all. So now we are going to talk about things that I plan to do to actually bring up my channel and be consistent in what I'm doing and to make a lot of money from henceforth. All right. So now that $30 that I'm talking about was actually made in a period of like, it's everything I've made on YouTube so far from that February last year till now. We are in May now, right? Sorry, we are in June. We are already in the month of June 2026, and I have made $30.08 on YouTube, which is very, very, very poor. It is what? Very, very poor. And mind you, that $30 is not up to the payment or payout threshold. It is not up to the payment threshold or the payout threshold. Now, the payout threshold is $100 and above, right? That means for me to be able to withdraw that money, I have to upload more valuable content so that people get to engage, to watch, and all of that. And the system will, you know, convert all the watch hours, all the times, all the engagement into dollars for me. Till I'm able to raise it up to $100 and above, I cannot be paid that amount of money. All right. So hence, I have made up my mind, having observed my channel and see what works and, you know, what have been working for me. Like if you check my channel again, you will see that there are some videos that did so well when I posted them. I observed that when I talk about YouTube growth or YouTube strategy or YouTube my progress on YouTube, and also when I talk about making money online, so those videos actually do well. Although I don't have that kind of massive views and engagement, but at least I noticed that in a way they count very, very well compared to other kinds of video. Okay, so that said, due to this observation, I'm going to be niching down on how to make money online. I'm going to be niching down on talking about AI tools and video creation, and talking about, you know, basically how to. Okay, and also I'm going to be sharing YouTube growth strategies and all. So everything that pertains YouTube growth, maybe AI, content creation, or making money online. You see, so basically those are the areas I'm going to niche down on. Maybe once in a while, I'm going to be bringing about my faith. So those are things I'm going to be niching down on from now henceforth by the special grace of God. So, and also to make sure I improve on this channel, I'm going to give myself the challenge of uploading every single day till the end of this month by the special grace of God. So if you want to learn a lot, you're going to learn a lot from this channel. I'm going to be talking about making money online, affiliate marketing. I'm going to be talking about AI, tools, and AI content creation and all that, because I actually have channels, faceless channels, right? We're going to be talking about faceless channels, faceless niche, faceless video creation, content creations, and all of that. The payouts I have made. I'm going to be reviewing how much YouTube paid me for this number of views and all that. So I'm going to basically niching down on those kind of contents. All right. So those are the content that actually flies on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to be niching down on those kind of content for this number of days and see how my channel will be revived again. So if you want to learn a lot, like you want to learn AI video creation, right? I'm going to be touching on that. You want to learn how to create faceless YouTube channels. You want to learn how to start uploading your content the right way. You want to learn some strategies that could help you if you're already a creator on the faceless niche. It can also help you because I'm going to be sharing a lot of valuable tips that I've learned, that I'm also implementing on my own, that is helping my channel grow so fast. Okay, now I'm going to be sharing all of that. I believe you don't want to miss anything. So if you are someone that is interested in this kind of niche, do well to hit the subscribe button. Do well to give this video a thumbs up. Do well to leave a comment on the comment section. What do you think about this $30.08, right? A try, or should I just abandon this channel? Because I was literally thinking of starting a fresh channel. Like, let me just open a new channel, start afresh, put all these corrections, put all these things I've learned, all the corrections I'm making. Let me just start implementing it on a new channel so that I can build my community from afresh. I was thinking, but I thought again, because it's not easy to build your channel. It is not easy to build 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. It is not easy. But I'm not saying it's not possible. If your content is good enough, in a short while, you should be able to meet the target, right? But then again, I don't want my energy, all my investment, all my time, all my effort on this channel to just go down the drain like that by abandoning it, right? Rather, I choose to reinvent the channel, right? To revive the channel, to like rebuild the channel, to like, revive the channel. All right, so that's what I'm doing for the next few days till the end of this month of June, hopefully. All right, so you guys, what do you think about this whole review? Because this is like me starting from afresh. Yeah, I'm starting from afresh. Like, I'm just doing as if, okay, I don't have, I don't have a community yet, or I don't have anything. Yeah, I just want to see it as a way of starting all over again. I want to assume that, okay, this is a new channel. So before we end this video, we'll go ahead and look at the dashboard and see the amount for ourselves. Okay, so we don't gatekeep anything here, by God's grace, as much as I can. All right, so please, let's go ahead to the dashboard and see for ourselves if I actually made the $30.08. Okay, and you guys tell me on the comment section how you feel about this whole review, whether I know that $30 in a year plus is not really a good one. Okay, so if you have other tips to share as to how to actually grow and meet the $100 threshold and above, please share with me. I've shared the ones I know. So, but if you have any other suggestion, please drop on the comment section. I will read everything. Okay, so as to go there, just see it for yourself. Okay, so see you on my next video. Let's go and see. Bye. Hi, my love. So let's head on to my studio, my YouTube studio. So let's head on to my YouTube studio. So I'll be clicking on my YouTube studio to show you how much exactly is on my YouTube studio. Really, this thing is actually real. Okay, so let's wait for the network. Let's hope network. Okay, very good. All right, so see my YouTube studio. So you can see my name there, Faithfulness will say I have 4,370 subscribers, and Yeah, my views for the last 28 days was has been 124 views, and watch time 7 hours point 9, and estimated revenue for the last 28 days is 44 cents because I have been inconsistent, right? So now that is about to change anyways. Okay, so let's just go straight beneath this. All these ones are content. It's not coming up because of network, I guess. So all this one, a Faceless YouTube channel just got monetized. So that this one supposed to have the image supposed to show here, but network is interrupting. See this one on automation, right? So all of that. Now let's come beneath it here. Let's come beneath it here where you have your dashboard, your content, your analytics, your community, and your end. So we're going to tap on this end button to see how much dollars we've actually made. All right. So remember, let me refresh this account. Let me refresh the dashboard or the studio, right? Let me refresh the studio so I see for yourself that it's mine actually, right? So see the pictures are coming up actually. Images, okay. So yeah. So let's head on to the end button. Let's tap on the end button and see how much it's showing on our um studio. How much it's actually showing. Let's wait for the network to come up. All right, here you have it. Now we have progress towards your next payment. You can see progress towards your next payment is what, $30.8. You see, so let me refresh it so I see that is my real dashboard or my real studio. Okay, so you can see my image there on the top right corner of the screen, and you can see how much I've earned so far. This $30.8 has been what I've earned so far for over 1 year of being monetized, and that is about to change by the special grace of God. So what do you think about this whole earnings? What do you think about this? Is YouTube worth trying? Would you be trying YouTube as your side hustle, whether face or faceless content? All right. So the thing is, YouTube actually pays, right? There's no doubt about that. But you must be ready to put in the work, ready to put in the effort, ready to stay consistent, and you would make a lot of money. All right. So now this is all for the video. So trust me, this is about to change. So let's see how long it will take for us to get to $100, because you see here that says payment minimum $100, right? So I have to grow this amount to $100 thereabouts so that I can able to get paid by YouTube, right? I'll be paid into my domiciliary. I'll be paid into my domiciliary account. From there, I'll withdraw the money and get it, in naira as well. You know, convert it to my currency, right? So that's all for this video. Okay, so I leave you learned one or two. So if you have any thoughts, any opinion to share, please do well to drop on the comment section. I'll be reading every one of them. Okay, once again, my name is Faithfulness. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next one. Bye.